Today we're going to talk about how to convert a Bubble app into a native Android or iOS app. Bubble is a platform for building for the web. It can build you an impressively complex and powerful web application, but you're going to need help converting that into a mobile app for the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Bubble could be a huge benefit for startups and growing businesses that use the Bubble platform. But though Bubble is great, it currently doesn't allow you to build native mobile apps. Instead of building an app from scratch, which is going to take you way more time and it's going to be very expensive, take a look at using Mobiloud instead. With Mobiloud, it's simple to take your Bubble app and convert it into a native mobile app with no code. Let's take a look on how to do this. Once you head over to the website, you're going to come to a page where you need to fill in your details. So just pop in your name, your email address, your website address. Once everything is filled in just as you would like, press on continue. Then it will bring you over to the menu configuration. You can then add in any tabs you like, and if you want to add a tab item, just press over here. You can choose whatever icon you want or upload your own. Then you can pop in whichever URL you want that tab to show. Move on to colors. You're going to pick what is the highlight color for your app. You can either put in the color code for whatever the color is, or you can just go to our handy color picker here and pick your color. And now the configuration is complete. You can press on finish and it will bring you to this page right here. Right here you can change any details about your menu or your navigation. Right in here you can change what any of the buttons and spinners are going to say or do. Also, you can modify any colors by pressing this color tab. You can modify all colors here from the background color to different button colors. And then in the notifications tab, there are more settings you can play around with and modify. And if there are any other aspects of your app that you would like to change, then you can modify them in here. Now, once you fill in everything in here, you're going to go to the top right corner of the page where it says test app. And in here, you can just press on the tap to play button when you want to take a look at your app. And you can see how the app would look on both iOS and Android. Now, once you're happy with how your app looks, you can just press on publish your app. It's going to take you over to our pricing page. You can take a look on which pricing plan is right for you and move forward with that plan. Let's dive into some of the benefits of converting your Bubble app into a native app. Now, one of the reasons why native apps have become so dominant is they can provide a much better UX. From one simple tap on the home screen, everything loads. They generally don't need to log in again, and the native tab bar navigation makes getting around the app a breeze. Converting a Bubble app into mobile apps lets you provide the optimal mobile UX, removing friction for core users and providing a more immersive and convenient experience. By converting a Bubble app into mobile apps, you can send push notifications whenever you see fit to anyone on Android or iOS. This direct line for your core users is valuable for driving traffic, engagement, and usage. Mobiloud is the best solution to turn your app into a native mobile app. With Mobiloud, you can take your existing website and turn it into a beautiful mobile app without having to write a single line of code. Everything on your site will work just as it does on the web. Your theme, plugin, and design, and any other features will remain the same. You can add mobile-specific elements to your mobile apps as well, such as push notifications and a native tab menu and navigation. Mobiloud is powerful. You can get onto the Apple App Store and Google Play Store and onto users' home screens faster than any other option at a minimal cost. And when you go live, you'll only have one app to maintain. No need to keep developers on call to manage your web, Android, and iOS apps separately. Mobiloud is perfect for news sites, blogs, digital magazines, e-commerce stores, forums, and any other web app that can use their own native mobile app.